it plugged in already. You don't want it to go off. Yeah, keep it by you there. Keep it by you. If it's already on.
Yeah, but I can't tell.
No, that's what I mean. But if you keep it by you.
Get ready then. In case it comes on straight on. Just in case, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, good shot.
So get ready. Is it recording? Is it not red at the bottom, bro? Is it red at the bottom?
Yeah, it's good.
Just record then. It's a cool one.
Who's that then? Is that Chris Allen?
Is that Duffy?
Is it? Yeah, I think it might be.
Oh, Chimpy, wait there. We need more slack, bro. We can't get the angles.
Do you want to hold it? You have to.
I got it, man. No more shot.
No, but I need him.
Well, just in case it comes on.
Hold on, it might be on already.
Oh, you got
Hold up, no, wait.
Recording.
Yeah, go ahead, so.
No, it works. You're not fucking ready!
Payback, bitch! You wanna come and meal it up, motherfucker? Nice one, boys.
Night, bye. He's not fucking ready. Yeah, alright, let's shut this out. And if he does it again, woo!